Hello, my North Georgia students. I hope you are all doing well. You are watching this because you are getting ready to take your first learning module exam. So I want to go over the instructions very clearly and very concisely so that no one is confused. This exam is going to be proctored. You have to have Respondus browser and Respondus lockdown monitor on your computer already loaded and ready to go when you activate the exam. You will have 2 hours to take it, and you may attempt to take it twice. But understand that there are 3 essay questions you are required to answer, and you can't copy and paste from somewhere else. So I encourage you not to take it a second time if you've already feel like you've done a really good job on the essay questions. The essay questions will count 50% of the grade, and the multiple choice will count the other 50% of the grade. You will have 2 short answers and 1 long answer. The 2 short answers are worth 15 points each. The 1 long answer is worth 20. You are allowed to use your textbook, so you must cite. I'm not kidding about that. You must cite. As with the discussions, if there is no citation, there is no grade. It's 0. So you must cite internally in your essay questions. I encourage you to look at them, and each one of them, I've given you a choice between 2 questions. So for the first short answer question, there are 2 questions there. You pick the one you want to answer. For the second short answer question, there are 2 questions there. You pick the one you want to answer. And for the long answer question, there are 2 questions there. You pick the one you want to answer. All of them are things that have been addressed in our discussions and in the textbook itself. So you should be familiar with the ideas. It's just forcing you to bring a lot of these ideas together in one place. Okay. What else do you need to know? You have 2 hours to take it. Once you start taking it, you can't move away from the computer. So plan accordingly. If you have to get up, the exam attempt will let me know that you are not in front of the computer, and that'll end that session. So you don't want to do that unless you absolutely have to. Your second attempt is the one that is automatically submitted. So if you take it twice, be sure that you know what you're doing. Be sure that anything you did with the essays, you're ready to do again. You can't copy and paste them, so you have to re-enter them entirely. But be sure you know what you're doing. Outside of that, and yes, the essays will be checked for plagiarism and for AI content. Don't do it. If it comes back to me with any kind of AI figure that is substantial, then I'm going to automatically give it a 0. So you have to do this work all and entirely on your own. Okay, before you take it the first time, if you have questions, email me. It is due by September 17th. You can take it any time between now and then, but once you initiate it, you can only have you have 2 hours. Either time you initiate it, you have 2 hours, but you only have those 2 hours. So be sure to plan accordingly. I look forward to seeing your answers.